is Ano's 1 month appointment. Right now it's like 7:40, 7:50. Her appointment's not until 9:15, but I've been practically up all night with her. She just keeps waking up, so I feed her, finally put her to bed like around 6:40. She woke up maybe like at 4 something, 5 o'clock. So it took me maybe like a good hour or so to put her to sleep. Ended up taking a shower. Now I'm about to just go clean the kitchen and take out some sausages to make when we come back home from her appointment. But today's just gonna be like a normal daily vlog. But yeah, so my baby has her first appointment. Well, not her first appointment, but her first 1 month appointment. And hopefully she gets her shots during this appointment, because we have been going practically almost every week because she had jaundice when she was born. And now she's doing pretty good, so we'll see what the doctor says. I have a whole bunch of questions just because she's been really stuffy and just agitated, and I just don't know why, and I don't know how to help her, so yeah.
Make sure you have, you know, a decent one, because I could see what we had if you didn't. But okay, you're using that, but super congested.
What? Was Laura involved?
Yo, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised.
So, Daddy,
Hello.
look at the baby. It's a little chilly, so hopefully she's good.
It's not bad at all. Carla
To
just
him,
Carla
it's not
just
bad.
likes.
He's bigger than me.
What does that mean? Quam, are you cool?
I'm chilling. I had to take off my sweater, actually.
And Quam
She's also a baby.
Quam is all bones.
Watch your mouth. I'm gonna need it.
She weighs more
I
than
don't think
Quam.
that's how that works. No. How much you weigh, Quan?
154.
Yeah, my baby like
I'm
130.
125.
I was talking about her.
No, she's not.
My baby,
She's 7 pounds.
my baby about like 35.
Oh yeah, so after the appointment, baby girl 7 pounds. And how many inches?
20 exactly. So
I don't know where she get this
gained it.
tallness from, because
She get it from her daddy. She get it from her daddy's dreams.
like we both short.
That's how genetics work.
But baby girl doing pretty good. Alright guys, so we are back home.
Hello, Mama.
I kind of want to drink a large here tonight.
No?
She like being a little bit of a butt.
See you tomorrow morning.
She's like, why am I hanging like this?
Well, let's play this game.
Alright guys, so it is the next day. She's being difficult per usual. Barely was able to pump. So this is what it is. Right now she's eating. I'm pretty sure right after she eats she's gonna start crying again because she's tired and she refused to go to sleep. She's just a pain in my butt. What Nigel's doing before he goes to work.
A little bit of streaming. Let's fucking go. You know it's crazy. I needed Reinhardt's too. I'm adding that.
Look at my little baby sleeping. Alright guys, so yeah, so she wasn't fully awake, but she's like stuttering herself. Are you okay? You guys can see her, but yeah, she's like waking herself up, and I legit just put her to sleep like 2 or 3 minutes ago. So I guess I'll wait a bit before cooking just to make sure she's actually sleeping, because if she's up I can't get anything done by myself in here. So yeah, so this is basically my nighttime routine, literally, is trying to get her to sleep, trying to get stuff done before she wakes up, and then when she wakes up, feed her and all that good stuff. So yeah, so hopefully she actually is sleeping and I can go and cook because I'm hungry.
Still talking about Sam. Bitch, stop. You're having a baby with someone else. Move on. What the is going on in his head? Maybe he's nervous about the baby. Maybe he's freaking out because he's not ready to settle down with his baby mama. I don't know. Get the over it.
So Miss Missy is up, and legit she only slept for a good 5 minutes. So, and then cries when I put her in the swing, cries when I put her on the mat. I'm just like, but she's fine in my arms. I'm like, girl, mommy is trying to cook. All I got to was shaving the potatoes, and that is it. Like, legit, that's it. Hey, stop that. Excuse me. Ma'am, let go. Let go. Let go. Hey. Don't be catching an attitude with me. Don't be catching an attitude with me. See, look. Uh-huh. You're tired and you don't want to go to sleep. And let mommy cook. Mama needs to cook. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. What you gonna eat, Mama fish? What you gonna eat? Mama eat your fish too. Can Mama put you in bed now?
My boobs are hurting, and she only took a little before starting to cry again. I'm just like, I don't get it. Okay, so the potatoes are in the pot. Now it's time for me to wash the rice and make the rice as well.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished sweeping and checking on baby girl.
Bathroom. I'll decipher what goes on in my relationship. This isn't Sam and Ron anymore. There's gonna be no more notes being wrote. You're moving.
Sleeping.
You're moving.
So yeah, me as a mom, I already have bad anxiety and I get paranoid quite quickly. So me as a mom, it's kind of 10 times worse. I mean, I'm like that with my sister too, but yeah, like I'd be checking if she breathing and all that good stuff. Baby girl is thankfully still sleeping. It took her literally like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours to go to sleep. I'm just like, oh my god. But I don't know how I did it to almost have like dinner almost done. Alright guys, so today is Sunday, the last day of the week, and baby girl and Nigel are still sleeping. They're both in the room while I'm in the living room pumping. I just finished, pumped maybe a good 3 ounces. I did, well, just poke myself right in the eye. I have been stocking up on some breast milk for her, so I've just been feeding her nothing but formula all day yesterday and most likely today. But this week hasn't really been much besides her appointment and then just going out for a walk this week, but other than that, nothing exciting. But yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm currently at Bubba Burrito. I actually had them yesterday when I was helping Kayla and Angel move. It's, oh god, I almost died. It's actually really good. I did enjoy it. I told Carla about it, and you know, when I tell Carla about something that I found delicious, she always wants it. So I'm back again today. We're gonna pick up some burritos, and then I gotta pick up a couple of other stuff that she wanted, and that's it. I'll try to record inside, so that way you guys could see the establishment, and then yeah, that'll be it. All right guys, again, Bubba Burrito. You know, the food is really good. Their staff, they're pretty chill. Unfortunately, I couldn't record in there. I did ask. They needed a manager's response, but they weren't responding to them. So I'm like, listen, that's all good. And this is why I typically don't do establishments, because you know, you never know, and you never want to cross a boundary. But I got two burritos, and then I also got this. I forgot what it's called, but it's basically like nacho chips with powdered sugar on them, raspberry drizzle, as well as caramel drizzle. I wanted something called the boardwalk cookies, which are basically deep fried Oreos, because Carla loves them, but unfortunately they did not have any Oreos. So here's the burritos. Here are the dessert chips. Right now I'm just gonna pick up a couple of drinks, and of course Carla loves ice, so I'm gonna go pick up some bags of ices. But yeah, I'll see you back at the house. All right, my babies, first bite of her barbecues.
God
Damn.
Jesus.
Cheese and rice. Don't act like you're not messy. Ooh, did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound? That shit sounded wet. Sounded wet as fuck. Oh. Say goodbye. Oh. I gotta get in there like the Food Network does. Damn. And I got that shit on your lip. Yeah, she is lit. My baby over here sleeping. Knocked out. I think she went away. Huh, mama? I think she knocked out. I can't tell. Her eyes are too chinky.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed our weekly vlog. Babe, stepdad.
Wait over.
You wanna say hi?
That's my baby. My little baby. She got stinkers.
She's looking at herself right now.
She said, ooh.
Nigel over here playing
That's my baby.
some kind of game.
Some racing games.
But yeah, so Want to say bye? Bye. Okay. Okay, we just gonna spit. Okay. All right. Well, we'll check you out in the next video. Okay, stop spitting.